New tonight, school districts in our area are fighting for state funding to support mental health services.
During the pandemic, districts used COVID-19 funding to help supplement salaries and new programs focused on mental health. That funding is set to expire as early as next year. WCNC Charlotte Shamarria Morrison shows us why leaders at CMS are ringing the alarm.
For years now, schools in our area have fallen behind the national ratio standards for mental health professionals to students in classrooms. CMS leaders are hoping to change that in the upcoming legislative session. CMS and other districts in our area have been clear. Students are suffering mental health crises and need help.
It's been lifted up by staff. It's been lifted up by our students.
At-large board member Jennifer De La Jara says they need more psychologists, social workers, and counselors.
We at CMS are about 1,066 per one social worker.
The national recommendation is 250 students per one social worker.
School psychologists, it's even more of a dire situation. We're at about 1 per 1,500 students, and we need to get that down to 1 per 500 students.
These positions are funded by the state budget and funds from county dollars. Charlotte-based telehealth software company Let's Talk Interactive says they've seen an expanded need in connecting students to virtual mental health services.
We have a shortage in this country of mental health providers as it is, and this eliminates the geographical boundaries.
When schools get adequate funding, companies like this are waiting to step in.
School systems historically have gotten full-time employees or FTE. If they got dollars in, they want to put bodies in a seat. And in this case, we're saying, hey, 8 schools, 10 schools, 12 schools, share the resources for 5, 10 bodies that are virtual bodies that can support 10x the number of students that can currently be supported.
De La Jara says adequate funding for mental health is everyone's concern.
The students have been clear, teachers and administrators have been clear, school boards across the state have been clear. I can't answer as to why our state legislators are not hearing that message.
She says it's time for legislators to act and put state dollars where they belong. Shamarria Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.